Hey guys, Ivy here, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of February 2nd through the 8th. It is kind of thick, guys, so let's hurry and get through this, okay? They have the Dollar General buy two, save $3 on the Pepsi Cola products and Frito-Lays. Look, now they have the Lay's chips buy two, get two free, which is a great deal. Now, if they give us a couple of coupons, these deals will work out to be great. They have their essential tissue on sale, which can be held. I will hold off on the Reynolds wrap because that's pretty expensive. Also, the barbecue, they starting, you guys notice they bringing back barbecue grills and stuff. That's because spring is getting ready to hit. I would kind of hold off on that one also. That's pretty steep. And these plates. So now when we get up here, the Pepsi Cola and Sprite products 3 for $11. If they give us a coupon and at least get it down 3 for $10, that'd be awesome. These are 3 for $6. They gave us a $1 coupon, making the Pringles 3 for $5. All of these for game day. Everything on the front of this page is. So even the pizzas, if you could do the buy one piece and get the free Pepsi, I would do that deal. This you probably could hold off. Well, 50 count, that I would hold off on that still. 2 for $4. They usually give us a coupon, make them 2 for $3 and $1.50 each. So check coupons off on that. They have food in the area. These oranges, guys, I actually got to see these oranges in Jewel Food Stores by me. And they're called Sumo Citrus, save $1. The guys say they were good, so I guess I'll try them because we have a coupon now. And it's nothing on the back of that. Also gave us this buy two, save $3, and it's got all the save $3. They also have all the deals that they want you to purchase. 4 for $13. Not bad, especially if they give us a coupon. That's a great deal right there. Okay, so you can go through them and choose this one and this. These are two good deals. Now, the sales tables, let's get to it because I heard there's some goodies up in here. Now, we're going to go to the 4 for $8 Kellogg's cereal. Hopefully, they give us a coupon. 2 for $14 on the Folgers. You can hold off on that, guys. There's the Rise and Crust Pizza, $5.95. But now they're doing a bigger one, buy one big pizza. That's the one for $9.95, and then the Pepsi product. So here we have another BOGO, guys. So we have the Reynolds wrap, $5.50. I told you I would hold off on that, right? The BOGO here, now they're giving us the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, the Mr. Clean all multi-purpose cleaner, buy one, get one free. Then this BOGO, if you didn't use your Swiffer BOGO, it's back again. Okay, I do have one more coupon, but those, don't expect that to hang around too long. These are $4.50. Like I said, hold off on that. Great BOGOs right there. And then we have they gave us the spend 30, save 5 on the gain. We should have some gain, I believe a gain coupon coming out soon. If so, don't quote me on it, but I think we should be having one out all of the Valentine's Day. These cards are actually 50 cents if you get them for $1 with that $1 coupon. Now, the buy two, save $3 is on all. You get products all the way down. Like I said, good deals. BOGOs. Buy two, save $2. All of those are awesome deals, guys. Okay, 3 for $3. Sunkist, good deal right there. You might get a glitch on the Monster. These 2 for $9, we can hold off on that because they was just 3 for $9. 4 for $10. Oh, the Hot Pockets are back. I got to grab those again. Hopefully they gave us that coupon back again. Now those, they can hold off on the Farm Rich. These my kids like if they're the bigger one. My boys just, you know, they got to have snack foods at the end of the day. Okay. So the Monterey's are on sale. The Takis, oh God. 2 for $6 on the Ritz, which actually if they give us a coupon, that'll be an even better deal right here. 2 for $5 on the Prego. 2 for $6 on the All El Paso. Hopefully they give us a coupon. The Tostitos is 2 for $7. And then the Rotel is 2 for $2.50. Now, if you live in the Midwest, by me and you have a Menards, the Rotel cans are $1. We don't gatekeep. 3 for $3 SpaghettiOs. Also, Menards, you can get 10 for $10 soups and spaghettis. The Progressos, like I said, 3 for $10 soups. Buy 3, get 1 free on the rice and the chunky roll house chili. All of these, they have tons of food. Oh, 2 for $3. That's a great deal, guys, right there. 2 for $3. And then, who is this? It's the Klondike bars are 2 for $6. You want to look at these. All of these are on sale. The plates and everything that right there they give you a coupon for that one. Now on this page is all Madison's, guys. All Madison's. Make sure you take a good look at that because this is save $3. That might, when you got to buy 2 to save $3, it might be, they say right there, those are the prices, but sometimes we'll get the smaller packs that are attached to it, okay? Then you have a $2 off of the Dove. It was $3.9, went to $2, so be careful picking that up. We have $1.50 on the Irish Spring and the Speed Stick. The Speed Stick, and this would be the better deal. $3 off on the Soleil. That's the better deal for the for the razors. $2 on their products, I believe. Okay, so something, you got to spend $8 and get $2 off. Then this is the 5, and that's when you have to buy 3. Those are a good deal. I wanted to do a deal on that this Saturday, but I didn't get to. Make sure you watch my 5 off 25 Saturday deals, guys. It's awesome. BOGO again. I feel like you can hold off on that. They just had a BOGO on that. 75 cents off on that. $2. They just had a BOGO if you need to get it, but if not, I will leave that alone. This right here, I will again hold off on that. 2 for $10. Now the Gain or Downy. Oh, I want this. Okay, you might could do early activation. 2 for $10. It is a $1 coupon that expires today for the Tide and I believe the Downy. So check it. But they're 2 for $10, guys. That's a good deal. Early activation. Early activation. Or they might be going by a coupon. So make sure you just pay attention. If they're going by coupons, then it won't work. Okay. And then that's $1 off Suavitel. I've really been skipping Suavitel. And then they have the Febreze, the ones for $4, a $2.30 coupon. Then they have the $2 on the Glade. Save $4 on the Mr. Clean Mop Bucket. I got those when they were $15 during Christmas. Save $10. That is that $10 product, I believe. You got to buy 2, so that's the buy one, get one. And then all of these pans and pillows and throws are BOGOs. 3 for $10. Now, that is a good deal also. Hopefully they give us a coupon. They have a lot of awesome deals because of our Super Bowl is coming up. That's why. So they starting to get you ready. You see all these footballs. Okay. All of those, we went over every one of these right here. They starting to get some meat up in there. 4 for $12 is back. I don't think 4 for $12 did good last week, so they brought it back again. Then the Downy saved $2 on those. We do have coupons. Oh, here you go. Spend 15, save 5. Didn't I tell you they was going to give it back to us? Because when you don't comply with what they put out in the stores, guys, all you got to do is not purchase it. Most of the time it works and they'll lower it back to what it was. So hopefully if we got some good coupons, we can use those coupons off. Spend 15, save 5 plus some coupons to it. So that's a good deal. Save $4 when you spend 20. Now I wish they'd put this back to 15, but they haven't. $1 off on the quilted, $8.50 for that. And then, okay, 5 off on this. Buy 2 Febreze plug or refills and you get $5 off, making them 2 for $6, which is a good deal because remember they just gave us a freebie on the warmer. So now you need that part. Okay. True Living, they gave us $1 off on the trash bags. So guys, that's the paper right now. It was a great deal. BOGOs, early activations, all of those are in play. All you go in and scan. Early activation starts at about 7. I would kind of get in there about 7:15. Actually, I would get in there about 6:30. Stuff that I want to go see if it's going to early activate. Put it in your cart, and then at about 7:15, start scanning it and see if it's early activation, guys. That's what I do. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account because we do not gatekeep. Bye.